Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subnautica on your phone. Subnautica is a fantastic game, but it isn't directly available as a mobile app. To enjoy this underwater adventure on your device, you'll need to use a cloud gaming service. This method streams the game to your phone, requiring a reliable internet connection for smooth gameplay. First, you'll need to pick a cloud gaming service. Popular options include Xbox Cloud Gaming, which requires an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Research different services to find one that suits your needs and check their compatibility with your specific phone model. Each service has its own set of requirements. Once you've chosen a service, download its dedicated app to your phone. Next, you'll definitely want to connect a Bluetooth controller, as Subnautica is best played with physical controls. Ensure your internet connection is robust. A speed of at least 20 megabits per second is recommended for a good experience. With everything set up, open the cloud gaming app and log in. Navigate to the game library and select Subnautica to begin streaming. You might want to tweak some in-game settings, like graphics or controls, to optimize your mobile experience. Now you're ready to dive into the alien ocean world from your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.